Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make Poha cutlet. Poha is beaten rice, so I'm going to show you how we're going to make a cutlet with beaten rice. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So here I've washed the beaten rice a few times. There are two varieties, you can use either one of them for this recipe and it just softens a bit. So I'm going to use that right now. Now I'm just going to mix all these ingredients together. There is the onions, the beaten rice, just put everything together. Ginger, coriander leaves, potatoes. To this I'm going to add a little salt, chili powder, chaat masala. So just mix everything nicely. It has to be nicely mashed up. So once you've mixed all the ingredients, finally check for seasoning, the salt, the spice, the chili powder, the chaat masala, everything, because this is going to be your cutlets. You have two options for frying. You can either shallow fry or deep fry. Now I've chosen to shallow fry. Enough oil. So I'm just going to make the patties, and before frying you need to just dab it, or rather coat it with semolina to give you that nice little crunch. So just make sure you just make nice round even patties. Voila, that's it. Just roll them on semolina, just coat them gently. Once the oil is hot, just place it. There you have these hot and crispy Poha cutlets. You can have them with tomato ketchup or sweet and sour sauce. Enjoy it. Today's recipe is a very simple recipe. I'm sure your kids will love this. It's Paneer Cutlets. Let's take a look at the ingredients. The first step is to grind the cooked peas to a nice coarse mixture. Then grate the potatoes. These are boiled potatoes. If you want to mash it with your hands, you can do that as well. Grated carrot, a little bit of that. I'm not putting all of it. Grated ginger, 1 piece. Turmeric, a pinch. Green chilli, 1 chopped. Next add the chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder. Cumin powder, just a quarter teaspoon, and amchur powder, half teaspoon. Finally, I'm going to grate the paneer. So it's ideal to use a good quality paneer and make sure it's fresh. This is about 125 grams. Gently start mixing all the ingredients together. Now that we've mixed everything together, check for seasoning, and then we're going to roll it into small, even-sized patties for the cutlets. So I'm using milk just to coat the patty. So you can use a corn flour mixture if you want and roll it in breadcrumbs. Now that the patties are done, refrigerate it for about 15 minutes and then you can shallow fry it. Oil just a little bit. Gently start placing the cutlets into the pan. There you have these simple and delicious paneer cutlets. You can have it with ketchup or with mayo, or just eat it as it is. Now today's recipe is a much requested recipe and it's one of my favorite recipes. It's vegetable cutlets, and I don't want to keep you waiting. Let's get started. The first step is to boil the vegetables in the pressure cooker. Add the potatoes, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup beans, half cup green peas. Add a little salt and a little water and pressure cook the vegetables. The vegetables are cooked. Next we're going to make the filling for the cutlets. Take a saucepan, add a little oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Add 1 medium onions chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, and a small piece of ginger. When the onions are transparent, add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Then add the cooked vegetables. Mix it well. Turn off the stove. Cool the mixture. Add chopped fresh coriander leaves and some roasted cashew nuts. This is optional. You can add some raisins also if you like. Just mash it up. Just going to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to this mixture. It's optional. If you want, you can add. So your cutlet filling is ready. Make patties with the cutlet mixture. Dip it in the maida batter. Roll it in breadcrumbs. And keep it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes before shallow frying. We're going to start shallow frying. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Here are your delicious and crispy vegetable cutlets. Don't wait, just get started and make them and enjoy with your family.